and gentlemen, step right up for another amazing banger by Lex Blaze and Daddy Paul. Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the shoot to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek, yo. Need to get girl with an extremely deep. See 6 midgets that be fighting, juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. Know what's going down every time that we are down. Taking a look through the peephole, yo. Everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show.
Okay, so we're done now. What a top day. The guys that were teaching us, fantastic, what a laugh. A good bunch of lads there. And the guys we were learning with as well. I mean, we're all like-minded, we're here, we're all bikers, we're all learning to do wheelies. We've got some common ground, so chances are we're getting on. So if you want to know how they teach you and the methods that they use, you're going to have to get yourself down here to find out, because it's well worth doing. It's a top day, the bikes are brilliant, all new bikes, MT-07s, MT-09s. So the guys are great, the people that you were doing it with are great. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want to know how to wheelie? Anton and Slant signing off. If you like the video, comment, like and subscribe.